Hi, everybody. My name is Gary Eby, and I thought you'd enjoy today another reading from our inspirational book, Reflections, A Journey to God. I thought I'd just start off with right at the beginning of the book, at the preface, all right? So here we go. This is the kind of book you read for a while, and then reflect on what you've discovered. Don't feel compelled to read it cover to cover. You might want to start with the first essay, the Chatco River. It sets the tone and theme of the book, which is, we can all access a state of heaven consciousness right now, today. This book is also about our spiritual journeys. It involves much healing and love to get to where we are now. Two people, one spiritual path. One was abandoned by his father and felt guilt and loneliness, but healed. The other survived terrible abuse as a child and young woman, but healed as well. We suggest you take your time. Just thumb through the other articles. Find one that appeals to you, ponder it, meditate a while, even read it aloud. We promise you will find an essay that speaks to your mind, your heart, your spirit, and your soul. When this clicks, we think you will experience a better life. You may even become willing to join together with many other people who work tirelessly to create a more spiritual, peaceful, and loving world. We have all felt emotional pain during many life challenges. Our pain forged a common bond. If you hurt, you hurt, period. Pain is pain. Our pain is no different from our neighbors, our friends, strangers, or yours. Susan's poems are sometimes painful to read, but the talks which follow them show just how far she has come. Gary's essays and poems embrace his true heart and loving soul. Susan survived and eventually flourished. Gary survived and has helped hundreds of people to heal. We turn to God for physical, emotional, and spiritual healing, and this healing continues to this day as we apply the principles we have learned, mostly because we have always been protected and nurtured by divine source, even when we didn't know it. Yes, we are walking the road together, even though we don't always agree. However, we are committed to God and one another. We invite you to open your mind and heart and walk this path with us. By starting or strengthening your own journey to divine source, you will find love and healing as well. It's available on Amazon.com. Enjoy until we see each other again. Bye-bye.